Need to factory reset an Android safely? Follow these quick, secure steps. Warning: a factory reset erases all personal data. Backup before continuing. Open Settings, tap System or Google, then Backup to save your account data. Enable Photos Backup in Google Photos or export images to a computer or drive. Backup files with the Files app or plug into a PC and copy folders. Remove your Google account in Settings to prevent activation lock after reset. Power off the phone, then use the device's recovery key combo to enter recovery. Common combos: power and volume down or power and volume up. Check your model. In recovery, use volume keys to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and select it. Confirm the factory reset when prompted. This will permanently delete all user data. Wait as the reset completes, then choose Reboot System Now to restart the phone. After reboot, sign in and restore from your backup. Verify accounts and security.